If you've ever struggled with any kind of chronic shoulder injury, then this video is for you. My name is Kevin and I'm a 23-year injury-free Ironman triathlete and coach. I've made several videos about chronic joint pain and tendinitis, and I've had a lot of requests for shoulder pain. And as a swimmer and triathlete, you can definitely tire out your shoulders, and I have found that rolling your shoulder muscles can be really effective at decreasing or preventing injury and also improving your performance. So what I like to do is use a lacrosse ball, and similar to when we roll the glutes, I use a lacrosse ball against the wall and I roll all the different areas of my shoulder. It's really simple. You just put that ball on the wall and just start rolling. You can adjust it periodically, find a different spot. You can roll your rear deltoids. I like to do a circle motion up and down, side to side, or just point pressure. I can move to the lateral, and I can definitely feel some rolling over knots right now in my lateral delt. And you can even go straight in and face the wall and get your front delt. Just a couple minutes or even seconds I've had people improve can make a big difference in your shoulder pain and in your performance. What I've also noticed on me and on a lot of other people is there's a spot near the top of your armpit. If you go to the top of your armpit and go just a little bit up and a little bit inside, there's a muscle in there that seems to get really knotted up for a lot of people. So again, you take that ball and you find that spot, make sure that your muscles completely relaxed. See how my left arm, I'm rolling my left shoulder, my left arm is completely relaxed, and oh man, I can really dig in on that spot just above the armpit and a little bit medial, so toward the spine, and wow, I can really feel that. And I roll my muscles pretty regularly, and it still gets knotted up. Like always, we want to do both sides. So we just turn around, take all the weight off my right arm now, find that spot near the top of the armpit, dig in there, roll around. I'm just going real slow, putting pressure. Now that I'm rolling my right deltoid, my right shoulder, my left leg is about 2 feet away from the wall, and I'm really putting force. I'm leaning into it, and you can choose how much force you want to put on that muscle and knot. Rolling in circles, hitting the rear delt now, hitting the lateral delt, and even the front delt. Now I've shown people how to roll their delts, and literally within 5 or 10 seconds, they're already feeling better. I'm not gonna say that this is gonna be the cure-all, but this can really make a huge difference in your shoulder pain and tendinitis and any kind of chronic joint pain up here in the shoulder area. So I hope that helps you out. Give it a try. Put your comments below and like and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be doing a lot more videos in the coming future. Until next time, peace, love, and connect.